These LOONGRIE engine and transmission mounts are designed specifically for the 2.4-liter automatic transmission Toyota Camry from model years 2007 through 2011, so fitment is straightforward when you match the correct engine. The set replaces all critical mounting points, which helps restore proper drivetrain alignment and reduces the shudder, clunking, and excess movement that worn factory mounts often cause. Construction quality feels solid with dense rubber and sturdy metal brackets that are clearly built to handle daily commuting as well as longer highway drives. Noise, vibration, and harshness are noticeably reduced once installed, making the cabin feel calmer and more refined compared with tired original mounts. Installation is manageable for a home mechanic with basic tools and a jack, and the mounts line up well with factory bolt holes, minimizing the need for adjustments. For owners trying to keep an aging Camry running smoothly, this complete LOONGRIE mount set offers an effective way to refresh engine support without resorting to more expensive dealer parts.